Photosynthesis, cellular respiration, and ATP. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is an anabolic pathway, a series of synthesis reactions that builds larger molecules from smaller ones. Plants, algae, or photosynthetic protists, and photosynthetic bacteria are the only types of organisms that carry out photosynthesis. The net equation, the reaction that summarizes the entire process, is shown below. 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water with the energy from sunlight forms 1 glucose molecule and 6 oxygen. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis captures energy from the non-living world and converts it to the energy in the bonds of sugars which cells can use. Cells have enzymes that can harvest energy from these organic molecules and use it to power the activities of living things. Photosynthesis makes much of life possible, and so it makes sense that photosynthetic organisms are also called producers. Structures of photosynthesis. How do leaves capture light energy? Inside the cells of a leaf, there are organelles called chloroplasts, which are specialized to carry out all of the reactions of photosynthesis. And inside chloroplasts, there is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a molecule that can capture light energy. Chlorophyll reflects green light, which is why plants appear to be green. Steps of photosynthesis. 1. Light-dependent reactions. Light energy is captured by chlorophyll in the chloroplasts. Water is taken up and oxygen is released. Chemical energy and hydrogen are stored in energy carriers, NADPH and ATP, which are used in the next step. 2. The carbon fixation reactions. The stored chemical energy and hydrogen are combined with CO2 to build glucose and other organic molecules. So again, step 1 is the light-dependent reactions where light is captured into the chloroplasts. And then once that energy is there, carbon fixation is used to actually build the sugar molecules. Glucose. In this reaction, we have 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water, energy from the light in the light-dependent reactions, and then with the carbon fixation reactions, we form 1 glucose molecule and release 6 oxygen as a byproduct. The glucose molecule contains more chemical energy than the water and carbon dioxide from which it was formed. Photosynthesis, therefore, is non-spontaneous and energonic, or energy-absorbing. This reaction will not happen on its own. We need that energy input from the light. When the reaction runs in the opposite direction, energy will be released. The next part of the presentation will cover cellular respiration, the process that harvests energy from the glucose. Energy flow. Through photosynthesis, plants capture energy from sunlight and transform it into chemical energy stored in glucose molecules. Glucose can store short-term energy and transfer over long distances in the body, but glucose cannot provide cells with a form of energy that can be directly used by enzymes. Cells move chemical energy from glucose into a molecule called ATP in a multi-step chemical process called cellular respiration. ATP stores energy in a form that is easily accessed to do cellular work.